Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change opportunity owner in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need to access to our opportunities. Simply, we need to go to the app launcher and type opportunities. So from here, we will find the list of our opportunities. And of course, we can select any type of display so we can find the opportunity that we want to change. So I'm just going for the table view. And from here, let's choose any opportunity. So I'm going to choose this one. And as we can see, we can find the edit button, delete, clone, etc. So we can go to edit, and from here we will be able to only change the other informations but not the changing the owner. And of course there are the contact roles that we are not interested in, etc. So what we need to do is to go to the details of our uh, opportunity. So from here, as we can see, there is the opportunity information, additional information, etc. So from here, we can go to opportunity information. And as we can see, we will be able to start changing the details of our opportunity. So now we need just to go to the opportunity owner. And from here, we can find the change owner button. We click on the change owner. You assign it to any new owner. You can send a notification email so we can let them know that they become the owner of the opportunity. Change owner, and now we have changed the owner. So if we go to edit again, we will see that the owner has been changed and successful. So simply those are the ways or the steps to change the owner for your opportunity in Salesforce. Thank you for watching and see you next time.